With a new range of alarm clocks from Bellman Symfon, you no longer have to worry that you might oversleep, because you can choose to wake up from a loud alarm, a high-intensity flashing light, a strong vibration, or why not all three at once?
The alarm clock from Bellman Symfon is equipped with a speaker delivering more than 100 decibel sound output. In addition, the alarm is sweeping through multiple frequencies. The special designed alarm will therefore cover most of the hearing losses. We have added 4 high-intensity LED flashes. That is the same type as you will find as the camera flash in the smartphones. Waking up to a flashing lights is a great alternative to the sounding alarm. There is also a night light beacon that emits a discreet blue light. The beacon will guide you back to the bed if you are up at night. A powerful bed shaker is also included in the package. Just place the bed shaker under your pillow and it will wake you up with strong vibrations when the alarm goes off. In addition, the bed shaker itself emits a high sound. That is a unique feature.
The alarm clocks are available in 3 different models. The classic version for the price conscious, the Pro for those who want more, and the Visit version, which allows you to connect your alarm clock to the Visit alerting system. The Visit alarm clock will give you a safe and relaxed sleep. It will make sure that you don't miss any important signals in your home. Besides waking you up with sound, light and vibration, it will also alert you if somebody is at the door, on the phone, or if your child needs attention, or even if there's a fire in the house. The alarm clock from Bellman Symfon is an inexpensive insurance that will make you and your family sleep well.